Thank you, Allah. Thank you so much for the event for Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the 12 May 2021 and the 13 May 2021. It was all possible with your mercy, your might, your help, your power, your command, because you are the King of the universe. But they don't. But the majority of the world people don't believe in you. They say they want to see you. They don't use their common sense, that the signs are enough for those who use the common sense. And indeed, Allah is the greatest King of this universe, the mighty, the Almighty King, the Master, the Creator, the God of nature. Allah Wahid Al-Qahhar wa Rabbizul Jalal. Allah Wahid Al-Qahhar. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Allah Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim और Allah Wahid Al-Qahhar की ताकत के साथ legendary freelancer, the legend of Allah, by the mercy of Allah, powered by Allah in the 21st century, has come by His command and mercy. The doors are opened. Let's see what happens by Allah. May 14, 2021, and the time is this.